Hey Snowbirds, welcome back to your desert home. Now that you're here, let's talk about one more essential part of your home that could use a fresh start, your water heater. While you've been away, your water heater has been sitting idle, and that can lead to some unexpected issues. So, let's dive into why now is the perfect time to schedule a water heater flush with Anthem. Water heaters, like any appliance, need regular maintenance, especially after being inactive for several months. When water sits in the tank unused, mineral deposits and sediment tend to settle at the bottom. This sediment buildup isn't just a little nuisance. It can actually reduce the efficiency of your heater and make it work harder than necessary to heat the water. This leads to more energy consumption, potentially higher utility bills, and in some cases can shorten the life of the unit. A water heater flush is a simple process, but an important one. Our technicians at Anthem will drain the tank, flush out the sediment, and make sure everything's operating properly. Not only does this clear out buildup, but it also helps to ensure you're getting the best performance out of your water heater. Think of it this way. A clean water heater heats water faster and uses less energy. That means more consistent hot water when you need it, fewer surprises with cold showers, and even better tasting water. And if you're noticing any unusual smells or cloudiness in your hot water, that's a sure sign a flush is needed. Plus, regular maintenance like this can help extend the life of your water heater. So instead of worrying about costly replacements, you'll have a water heater that's ready to work efficiently and reliably for years to come. Take the guesswork out of your water heater's performance. Schedule your flush with Anthem today and give your home the fresh start it deserves. Let's get your water heater back to peak efficiency and make sure every shower, bath, and load of laundry is just the way you want it. Contact us now to book your service.